so long. Sometimes I think it's too late to make a change. My nigga Crime down in this bitch, strong on steady gang. My nigga AG, gang green. They say I'll never change, I probably never will. Wake up every day just to chase a dollar bill. If it ain't about money, it ain't about shit. We taking pure chances out here to get rich. Like the split, hit the switch on the low. Money over hoes, all that tricking is a no-no. Refuse to lose, in this game I play to win. Pounding chromed out bikes, and I ain't talk about a swing. Hardly screaming eagles for them fresh ass Apollos. Niggas round my way, keep a pocket full of dollars. Same grind, different day, hustlers know what it do. Make something out of nothing, then you turn it into two. Addicted to that fast life, can't remember last night. All I know, the cash got me shining like a flashlight. Stay true while the week gave it up. Bitch, I been this way, I ain't never gave a fuck.
Probably never change. I play to win this game. Fly cars and fancy clothes. Getting money is all I know.
Serious issues, slave to the superstition. No risk, no reward, keeps a broad vision. Your broad listens, came for the ass in them true religions. Eating chitlins instead of chicken. Good girls make bad decisions. Letting broke niggas hurt and put them in worse positions. Word to the turf, keep the dust kicking. We ain't letting shit slide, it's a must get 'em. Yeah, enjoy the glory, only Lord willing. And the rest of the story sits on your mission. Shit, she's a stripper, night rain dancer. And her hair so sick, call it brain cancer. Like the shoe cane to heal the pain faster. High as a parachute plane, but her face flatter. Begging to ride with me, I let her chase after. All of the things she said ain't matter.